can you see?
At first, I'm standing in a pile of gold with a sharp, I think, sword.
Sharp.
And then on the left, and a camera on the right, with a blazing purple aura. And then suddenly transition. Nakasama ko yung asawa ko and with my kid. And then napunta kami sa tapat ng isang malaking bahay. Very gorgeous house. Something that I wanted to have. Sa pangarap ko lang. Then it transitioned, someone is crowning me with a golden crown. And then it back to me and my family standing in gold with a blazing purple aura with a white background.
That's the divine. So as of now, where are you?
Still in the pile of gold.
Okay. So who's with you there?
With my family.
Okay. Can you see different people there?
No, just us.
Okay. It's like a castle. Was that castle or the house? Is that your future house or?
I think it's a very modern house, the house that I'm talking earlier ago. But it's a very gorgeous house. It's something na parang hindi ko alam kung kaya kong abutin right now, pero ganun siya kalaki. Para siyang yung mga executive na house talaga, very modern house. Yung doon siya nag-transition kanina.